Guess what? OBS crashed. Although this time I was able to get up a lot quicker. I'm not sure where the previous stream is gonna end, so well, anyway, we're done with this one for now. I tested it and it works fine. What's your name? Coeuria. Right, I need to fix this part on her for sure. And then we don't need this, and this needs to say E-zone. This needs to be E2, this needs to be E3. And this needs to be E4. Okay. So right, what does she do? You can special scar from your hand by taking 2 pendulum monsters. Like a procedure. Yeah, hand. Seems fine. Can I use each of the following effects once per turn? Okay. Take 1 face-up card your opponent controls, or up to 2 instead if you have an odd scale. Negate the effects until the end of your opponent's turn. It's what? It's not quick. Come on, Erie. It doesn't say quick anyway. Why the fuck is it a quick effect? Ignition. Disable. Don't need this. Target. Zone. Don't need this. Target operation. I mean, this TG, this OP. Okay, so 1 face-up card upon controls. Okay, he's doing this check manually. What do you need to have? Odd. So let me borrow this. He targets. Select target. Up to 2. Category disable. Okay. Flag target, okay, nice. Get target cards, get first. Not disable, watch time of the monster, eject effect. Right, disable effect. Disable jump monster. Okay, this is fine. It looks copy pasted. However, until the end of your opponent's turn, and yeah, so we need a different reset here. We need like OPT is called. I forget. Reset OP or turn. Okay, there it is. Right until the end. Wait, Eldritch. Pretty sure that's what you use. Like you use face and two. That's kind of stupid. I mean, it works as well, but you know, I'll just do this. Whatever. Boop boop boop. Okay. Right, what's the other effect? When a monster with attack less than or equal to the highest scale in your zone times 300 activates effects on the field, you can destroy that monster. Okay, this is destroy, not negate. This is a quick effect. No damage to flags. It does not negate. Chaining, zone. Yes. Yeah, I don't know why erase how it destroys. It does not destroy. It does not negate, I mean. Okay, there's a lot of checks that can be simplified. Didn't the previous monster do the... No, not her. She checked for the lowest skill, right? We need to do max, I think. Attack less than or equal to the highest scale. So we need to do max here. And then okay, wait a minute. Okay, no, there's is active type monster. Is attack below SC times 300, and it's on the field that is destructible. This is used, it's used. And I think we don't need these. I'm just gonna comment it out for now. True, I suppose. You check it. Yeah, I guess. It's related, destroy. Right, that's correct. Okay, so let's see. After this, we're done with the monsters. Although the traps, spell and traps are the most complex ones, if I recall correctly. Right, so special summon procedure. I'll just put 2 copies of yourself on the board. Negation, if you have odd, you can target 2 instead. So she has odd. Coeuria. In the hand. And then opponent's master. What's a good monster for this? Needs to be on the field. I guess I'll just do it the slow way. I'll tire. I need to change the puzzle a little bit. Namely, I need to do this. Alright, I didn't give enough cards. Right, so okay, procedure works. Because there's no scales, huh? That's why it does this here. Okay, I got you. Right, destroy, triggers normally, resolves normally, jeez. I'm getting tired, okay. Right, the target stuff. Oh wait, no need to do it. Yes, there we go. Okay, so can target only one. location remains. But if I have this on the scale, I can target both. Okay. Okie dokie, she's done, I think. Yep. We didn't need this after all. Okay, so all the monsters are done. Now, wait one moment, cause the scripter did tell me that he made some changes, so let me go grab those changes first. Okay. He also made a puzzle, so we're gonna use that puzzle. Okay, so that was a lot of cards. Oh, he said he was using all dice, right? Okay, so apply any of these effects in sequence based on the number of Doremichord pendulum master cards with different names you control. 3+. Return one card from your pendulum zone to the hand. If you do, place one face-up Doremichord from your deck into your pendulum zone. Right. 5+. Place one Doremichord from your hand. 7+. Destroy face-up on your opponent controls. You can only activate one per turn. Okay, so first things first. Okay, so that's all dice, I assume. Okay, so it's missing. First of all, it's missing the oath flag. Real quick, oath. This. This is what changes it from a you can only use once per turn to you can only activate one per turn. Okay, so activate for chains, destroy, special summon, to hunt. Okay, target activate, scale, right, okay. Based on number of... Okay, you have a condition here, but... okay. I thought there was no condition. Based on the number of the Doremichord pendulum card, monster cards with different names you control. Location on field. This type pendulum, and say is face up. And is part of the archetype. Right, you need to have at least 3, of course. Oh, what? You're doing the face-up check here, but What is this? It's used down here for some reason. Okay. So city is, I'm guessing, how many cards you have based on the number of Doremichord Pendulum Master cards with different names. Right, there's a different names too, which I'm not saying you doing it. Yeah. I'll add that afterwards, but let me add the note here. Different names, check. Because that's the least important part. So, B1 is if you have a card to return and you have a card in your extra deck. Right, so this is not needed. You can just use this, of course. And you have 3 or more. Okay. B2 is a special summon, I'm guessing. Special summon doesn't come from, oops, from your hand. You forgot to change the location here. And there's room. Well, it's simpler if you check for the room first, you know. If there's no room, it's gonna be, it knows all of this is gonna be false right away, so it doesn't, I don't think it does these checks at all if this is false. And you have 5 or more, right? And B3 is for destruction, I'm guessing. Face up cards the opponent controls. Opponent controls face up cards, not monsters. And you have 7. Okay, so you don't need to check this here, because all of these check it and the condition checks it, so this is not needed. B1 or B2 or B3, right? So okay, you're doing a whole bunch of stuff here. Select option. Okay, it's apply effects, so you choose on resolution. That's the first thing. So all the selection stuff, resolution. So guess offset. Oh jeez. I don't think I don't think it needs to be this complicated, but we'll see. And it doesn't get, it's not gonna get any operation info either. Hello IXDI9, I don't know how to pronounce your name, but hello. Okay, so I don't think this stuff I needed. Yeah, it's something I've started doing recently. I thought might as well stream it. If anybody's interested, they can watch. That's pretty much it. Although I do stream just playing as well, not just scripting, but well, these days it's mostly scripting, so because Vijam uses too many new cards. Right, so wait. Right. Apply these effects. Okay, so let me make some room. Okay, so we need these again. Boop. Okay, so now the effect is a bit helpful because it's in a sequence, so we can literally just go one by one. So if B1 and do you have a yes no prompt anywhere here for me to copy, or is it above? It's above. So if B1 is true, which is for the 3 effect, and the player chooses to do it, you do it. And then the same thing, but for B2 and for B3. So this base structure is pretty simple. Now these are gonna be different, but the strings are gonna be fixed later, so it doesn't matter. Now, if you do apply this, you need a break effect because it's in sequence. So they're not considered to happen at the same time. So you need the break effect here. So I should be able to copy this part. Let me comment this out. Right, so I should be able to just paste this part here. We'll see if it's correct in a minute. Right, and then we need this flag. Now, basically this is gonna tell us if the player has applied any of the effects. So you can apply any number of effects, but you need to apply at least one, if you can, of course. So if you do apply an effect, we're gonna turn on the flag, so to speak. I'm just using 0 and 1 because it's easy. It's the same as using true or false. And then okay, so how are we gonna do this? If we're over here and the flag is 0, you need to go in basically. You don't have a choice. So I wonder if this is gonna work. I wonder if this is gonna ask you at all. We'll have to test it. And then if you're here, okay. So if you're here, if B3 is true, you have the choice still. If B3 is not true, you don't have the choice. So if B3 is false, okay. So if the flag is 0 and B3 is false, is this right? Let me see. So if the flag is 0 and you cannot do B3, this will be true. Or you select. We'll see if it works. I'm not sure if this works. The idea is that if this is true, it should not ask me at all. But I'm not sure if Lua actually does this. We'll see it in action. And then like, you should be able to copy this part. There's this check is also required. And then B3 is this. That was a little weird. Okay. Okay. Let's hope I didn't typo anything. Okay, there's a parenthesis missing somewhere. A line 91. Oh, right there. Yeah, since I copy pasted, it's missing on all three of these, I guess. Okay, so wait, how many do we have? Who dies? Right, so we have 5. So this should be asking us for the return effect. Jump to the hand, place this. I didn't do anything for the special summon. Why though? so if I pick no, will it let me special summon? Nope. Nope. It just want it all. Maybe I'll just do more ifs, I guess. So like, if the flag is 0 and you can't do b3, then and you can do b2, then just do it. Otherwise, if you can do b2 and you want to, then just do it. So let's see if this works. But why though? Okay, is it counting correctly? Let's make sure it's counting correctly. Am I counting correctly? All days, all days, all days, all days, all days. Okay. Should be 5. It says 5. Okay, so where does it fail? I'm probably missing something small. You have zones. I hope there's no weird effect, right? Going on? No restrictions or anything? I don't think so. I don't think there's any restrictions. Well, is B2 false? That's my best guess right now. Okay, so that's the problem. Why? Oh, B2 is already checking for this. So no need for the FT stuff. That's good, but why is this not working? SP filter. Is it this matching card? Filter player account. The PSO account nil ETP was SP filter. What does it do again? Spare someone Doremichord pendulum from your hand. I see. Because I have the face up check here. Okay. Okie dokie. is type. Okay, it should be good now. Okay, so I cannot do B3 and it forces me to do well, actually, so let me check if that my previous way worked. Just like this. Oops. Let's see if this way worked. Nope. Oh, okay. Seems to work. And if I do the first effect, if I apply the first effect, right, I'm doing it, and then I have the choice. If I choose yes, I can summon. Nice. So I don't need this check. FT is now required because this check is here. So we don't do this. What else do I want to do? There's a couple of cards missing. Right, so this needs to check as well. Does it? Yeah, so if you cannot do B2 and B3, you are forced to do B1. So not B2 and not B3 or that. Let me open the puzzle. So we need 3. So let's keep these 3, I guess. You can go, and you can go as well. So see, I don't have the choice to do it now. Although I didn't place anything, why is that? Select. Yeah, okay, it did return to hand. Send to hand. PC. Oh, what's this? Right, we just need filter, not PC filter. What is this check? Not check location or not check. Does this check if you have something in your zone or what? Check is the position available in the location. I mean, you don't need to do this because you return a card from your penalty zone to the hand, so by default you're going to have an empty zone if you do it. But what you need to check is that it returned to the hand. So dual, get operated group, get first is location, hand. So let's see. Boom, okay. So 5. We have 5 before, so I need 7 now. I'm guessing these are Odaes. Yes. So now we have 7 exactly. So I can use either of the 3 effects. So if I pick to do this, then I can pick no on the others. If I pick no here and yes here, and I do this, I can pick no here, and then if I pick no twice, here and here, it's supposed to do it, to do the destruction. And let's try doing all 3. I think it's the only thing I didn't try. Okay, that doesn't work. I think I tried it. Okay, yeah. Special summon and destroy. Okay, seems good. Break effects, didn't forget them. Don't need this. Or these. Right, different names. I think it's like get class count, fortune rewind. No, there's a trap. Fortune lady rewind, right? It's done with select and select. Okay, I think it's get class count. It's fine, it wasn't that bad. The status cards were way worse, trust me. Right, so how do I do this again? Where's the group? Okay, we need to get the group. So G is gonna be the group. And then CT is gonna be Z get class count something. Card get code. What does this return? A number of different. Oh, we just need this then. Let me see. I think it's just there. Maybe. If I understood the function correctly. 7. Yeah, that's right. If I summon this,